Hello everyone, welcome back to the garden. Beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. 70 degrees, sunny, a little breezy. I mean, pretty much a perfect day, really. Hope everything's well in your neck of the woods. So you can see we got 3 more heuchera here that we're planting. I've gone from having no heuchera to having a plethora of heuchera. All right, today we'll be planting Captain Jack Sparrow's favorite heuchera, the black pearl. We'll put about a half cup Westfoma Biotone Starter Fertilizer in the hole. You can see I've got 3 here, but you can also see that 2 of them are bigger. These 2 here are bigger than this one. 2 different nurseries, both half price. This one you can hear is kind of crinkly. We'll get it in the hole here. Hopefully this will make it start liking itself better. So, a little deep. Come here. There we go. Okay, guys. 1 down, 2 to go. Let's do a little reading here. All right, knee pad. All right, Proven Winners Primo Black Pearl. Primo, Proven Winners has like, I think 3 maybe series of heuchera. They have the Primo, they have the dressed up, and we're planting these here kind of close to the dressed up evening gown. You're thinking maybe, well, they're both kind of the same color. I kind of thought that too until I've got them here next to each other, and there's definitely different colors in them. And plus, like I said, there's 3 different series: the dressed up, the Dolce, and the Primo. The Primo is the series that the plant gets, is the biggest plant. So these get 8 to 10 inches tall, and they spread 26 to 30 inches. Hardy's in zone 4 to 9. A stunning black foliage plant for both shade and sun. Forms an incredibly dense habit of shiny jet black leaves with scalloped, ruffled edges and rosy purple undersides. Topped with white flowers with pink calyxes. Thrives in part shade but will grow in sun or shade. Plant in humus-rich, well-drained soil. Trim back tattered foliage in early spring. Salt tolerant. And the usual. Plant pair with Ligularia, Veronica, hostas, ferns, hardy geranium, violets, foam flower. So we're putting these 3 here. Again, this was part of a half price sale I keep running into. So I've been going maybe, I won't feel quite as bad if something eats them, but I still feel bad. But I'm going to try my doggone level best to keep stuff from eating them. See how much bigger this root ball is? Than the other guy. All right. Don't want to lose another hoary knife. Planting it high so it won't die. All right, there's 2 of them. Put another half a cup Biotone starter fertilizer. Oh, all right. This one may not fare too well. It just broke right off out of there. Huh. Maybe I should have checked that before I bought it, huh? Well, we'll see if we can preserve it. It's weird. That was just sitting there on top of the... Yeah, we'll have to see what happens with this one. Got a sneaky suspicion it's not going to make it. That was weird. I've never had that happen. Have anybody else? Have you guys ever had that happen? Well, you know, first for everything, right? Well, there they are. They're in the ground. We'll see what happens with them now that... Sorry for the noise. UPS truck just showed up. Don't know if he's here for us or somebody else. Man, did I make a mess. Lead pads didn't really work that time, did they? Okay, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this helped you with your garden fix today.
Oh, hey, how are you? I didn't even see you.
Good, how are you, man?
Good, I just had one for you. I left it by the door.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, sir. So, like I said, I was hoping this gets your garden fix for the day if you're not able to get out into your garden in your locale. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao.